Hey friends, we are back with another fitness lesson. Today our focus is going to be speed and agility. So when I want you to think of speed and agility, I want you to think about quick feet, coordinated feet, feet that do not trip over themselves when you're moving. Speed and agility are going to be important for your coordination and also your reaction time as well, because your mind needs to send signals to your body, like your hands, especially your feet when it comes to agility, to move in a very quick manner in order to get you places. Speed and agility are going to be important, especially if you're an athlete competing in games and practices, because that's ultimately going to determine how much faster you're able to move over your opponent. I'm going to be taking you through 3 agility exercises today. The only thing that you need is like a line on the ground. So if I just turn to the side here, you can see I have plenty of lines in the gym. I'm actually going to be using one of the pieces of tape that I have on the ground here. You just need something that you can jump over. Um, Something that is flat. It could be a rolled up t-shirt. It could be a paper towel tube. It could be something even as small as a pencil. Just something on the ground that you do have to jump over. That way, when you look down, you can see what you're jumping over, so you get those feet up. Okay? So 3 exercises. First is going to be bell jumps, which is just forwards and backwards over the line. You're going to see me take position right on my tape marking. We're going to go 15 seconds of work, all right, as fast as we can, and then we are going to rest. Okay, so that's exercise number 1 is our bell jumps. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and freeze. So you can see as I was moving, I was staying on like the toes of my feet. Okay, I was staying very loose, but I was also moving very fast. And you can also see the tape that I put on the ground. That was what I was using right there. That's what I was using to jump over. So it could be something as simple as a rolled up t-shirt, rolled up dish towel for you. So your job is to repeat that for three or 4 sets of 15 seconds each. Okay, make sure you're giving yourself ample rest time in between. Okay, you will notice that since you're moving as fast as you can, you will get out of breath rather quickly. Okay, which is why we're only doing it for 15 seconds. So that's exercise number 1. Those are our bell jumps. Okay, next is what I like to call scissor steps. So you're going to start off straddling the line. Same thing, 15 seconds, and then when you switch, you're going to make sure that you are jumping over that line that you have created. Okay, so here we go. 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind. 3, 2, 1, go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and freeze. So that was exercise number 2. Those were our scissor steps. Okay. So at this time, you're probably noticing that your leg muscles are starting to burn a little bit. Okay, which is a sign that your muscles are actively engaged and working out, and also getting the blood that they need to function. Okay. Like I said, these are things that a lot of athletes do to develop quick feet, strong leg muscles, and let's face it, our legs take us everywhere in a day, whether we're walking, running, skipping. So it's important for those leg muscles to be strong and healthy. So exercise 1 was our bell jumps, forwards and backwards. Exercise number 2 is our scissor steps. Next, we're going to work on lateral movement, which is side to side. So you're going to notice I'm going to use that same line, except I'm going to be moving side to side. Okay, again, 15 seconds of work as fast as we can. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 5 seconds. and freeze. So friends, that does it for our speed and agility. So 3 exercises. They were bell jumps, which was forwards and backwards, scissor steps, which was straddling the line and then switching, and then lateral jumps, which was moving side to side. So 15 seconds each. I want you to do each exercise for 3 to 4 sets. So 15 seconds times 3 to 4 sets. Make sure you're getting plenty of rest in between each set. You'll notice that right away if you're going as fast as you can, you're going to be out of breath. You're going to be exhausted. Okay, so friends, take care. Make sure you check out the next slide for your mindfulness cool down video. See you later.